Marcus.
Yeah?
Can we go somewhere?
Yeah, I was about to meet up with my homies.
I mean alone together, just me and you.
Oh, that cool too.
Okay, let's go. Marcus,
Yeah?
I really like you.
Yeah, I like you too.
But you only like me as a friend.
I know.
I like you a lot more than a friend, Marcus. I love you.
I'm going to get you back, just not right now.
Okay, but I really love you so much.
I love you too.
Hey Marcus, hey Mia.
Damn, you got to fuck up the mood.
Oh, hey TT.
Well damn, what type of mood was y'all trying to do?
Sex, just playing.
Haha, Marcus, you funny. No, I'm just playing.
So what y'all want to do, play some b-ball with me?
That okay, I guess.
Yeah, that okay.
Okay, let's go. Okay guys, let's run in place first.
Okay.
K.